KG2, good morning. So, today we are going to start a new sound, and that sound is, what is the sound, do you know? The sound is O. O. We are going to learn O sound today. We are going to learn O sound today. That means whatever letter we will write, after that if there is an O, अगर एक O है तो वो letter के साथ O sound आएगा. Okay? So today we are going to start a new sound, and let me show you how does this O sound blend with the letter. Okay, so first of all we are writing O every time. O, O, O. So which letter is this? This is letter O, and it has a sound O. O, O, O. So if I write B here, if I write B here, it will be B, O, bo. If I write C here, it will be K, O, ko. If I write D here, it will be D, O, do. Did you get it? The new sound that we have started today is O, O, O. B, O, bo. K, O, ko. D, O, do. One more time. Which sound we are learning today? We are learning O sound. We are learning O sound. O, O, O. So let me write the sound. O, O, O. And let me blend it with another sound. F, O, fo. F, O, fo. G, O, go. G, O, go. Likewise, H, O, ho. We are learning O sound. O, O, O. O, O, O. F, O, fo. G, O, go. H, O, ho. O, O, O. We are learning O sound. We are learning O sound. Now, what I am writing? I write O, 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 because we are learning O sound. O, O, O. O, O, O. We are learning O sound. O, O, O. Now, we are learning O sound. J, O, jo. J, O, jo. We are learning O sound. K, O, ko. K, O, ko. We are learning ko, O sound. L, O, lo. O, O, O. J, O, jo. K, O, ko. L, O, lo. So which sound is this? This is O So KG2, we are learning O sound. We are learning O sound. Which sound are we learning? We are learning O sound. O, O, O. O, O, O. M, O, mo. N, O, no. P, O, po. We are learning O sound. KG2. In Hindi also you have learnt O की मात्रा, है ना? क में O की मात्रा को, ख में O की मात्रा खो, ग में O की मात्रा गो, घ में O की मात्रा घो, च में O की मात्रा चो, छ में O की मात्रा छो, ज में O की मात्रा जो, झ में O की मात्रा झो. Likewise, this letter O sound, the O की मात्रा in Hindi and O sound in English are same. So we are learning O sound. O, O, O. O, O, O. Now let me tell you an amazing fact. एक इंटरेस्टिंग फैक्ट जो आपको मैं बताना चाहती हूँ, and that fact is, if suppose there is a letter Q, Q के साथ हमेशा U आएगा. Q कभी भी आएगा तो Q के साथ U आएगा. So the letter is Q, O, Q. Q, O, Q. R, O, ro. R, O, ro. S, O, so. S, O, so. O, O, O. Qu, O, ko. R, O, ro. S, O, so. We are learning O sound. O, O, O. O, O, O. So which sound are we learning? We are learning O sound. We are learning O sound. अब मैं O, O, O नहीं लिखूंगी. अब सीधे मैं लिखूंगी लेटर के ब्रेड के साथ. Okay? Now you have to recognize what is the pronunciation. T, O, toe. T, O, toe. V, O, vo. Z, O, zo. L, O, lo. M, O, mo. R, O, ro. S, O, so. B, O, bo. F, O, fo. N, O, no. So these are the blends with O sound. R, O, ro. T, O, to. S, O, so. N, O, no. V, O, vo. L, O, lo. Z, O, zo. M, O, mo. B, O, bo. F, O, fo. Now KG2, as I assume that you have learnt what is O sound. O, O, O. O, O, O. Now I want you to read some words from the book. Okay, here. See, this page we are going to learn now. Okay, after that I will give you some written work in the notebook. Okay, so we are learning O sound. We are learning O sound. O, O, O. Now we are going to read the words given in your words, can you read them without dots? क्या बिना डॉट्स के आप उसे रीड कर सकते हो? हाँ, आप रीड कर सकते हो with the help of pointer. K, O, T, cut. Okay, this O sound is a quick sound. O, O, O. Okay, so K, O, K, T, cut. P, O, P, T, pot. D, O, D, T, dot. H, O, H, T, hot. This can be read in another method also. इसको हम दूसरी तरीके से भी रीड कर सकते हैं, like cot, 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 pot, pot, dot, dot, hot. So how do we read it? According to the book, it can be read cot, cot, pot, pot, dot, dot, hot, hot. Now, see the next line. It is open up, open up, open up, open up. So the words are t up top, m up mop, h up hop, k up cop. So till now, how many words we have read? We have read 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 words. And the words are, what are the words? The words are, read with the teacher now. Read with the teacher. Cot, cot. Pot, pot. Dot, dot. Hot, hot. Read it again. Cot, cot. Pot, pot. Dot, dot. Hot, hot. Now the next line. T up top, m up mop, h up hop, k up hop. One more time. T up top, m up mop, h up hop, k up hop. Now here it is bl up bob, j up job, r up rob, s up sob. One more time. B up bob, j up job, r up rob, s up sob. K up cot, p up pot, d up dot, h up hot. T up top, m up mop, h up hop, k up hop. B up bob, j up job, r up rob, s up sob. Now the next two lines are. So KG2, which sound are we learning? We are learning O sound. O, O, O. T, O, T. G, O, bo. S, O, so. L, O, lo. M, O, mo. R, O, ro. F, O, fo. So the next two lines are L of log. F of fog. D of dog. B of ball. One more time. L of log. F of fog. D of dog. B of ball. So KG2, what are we learning? We are learning O sound. We are learning O sound. L of log. F of fog. D of dog. B of bog. Now the next line is R odd rod. K odd cod. P odd pod. N odd not. R odd rod. K odd cod. P odd pod. N odd not. Now we will do. So KG2, let us write O sound words. O, S, ow, N, T. O sound words. You know that what do we do when we write spellings in English? We write read and write. पढ़कर लिखिए. So our exercise is read and write. Write. Read and write. Now, one by one, we will draw pictures and then we will write. Now, KG2, I'm going to show you something. Okay. At number 1, the first spelling that we are going to write is, what is this? What did I put? मैंने क्या किया? मैंने sketch pen से एक dot बनाया. So this is a dot. This is a dot. And the spelling of dot is D O T dot. D O T dot. And the same spelling you have to write 5 times. The spelling of dot is D O T dot. D O T dot. And after that, leave one line and write number 2. Now what is at number 2? Oh, this is something in which we pour water. अब ऐसा कुछ आएगा जिसमें हम पानी रखते हैं. You know what is that? Let me draw an oval first. एक oval बनाएंगे. Okay. हमने क्या किया? एक oval बनाया. फिर से देखो, एक oval बनाया और इसके नीचे circle का बना दिया. What is this? Oh, this is a pot. What is this? This is a pot. And what is the spelling of pot? P A T. P A T. Pot. P A T. Pot. P A T. Pot. You have to write it 5 times each. P A T. Pot. Now number 3. The first word is dot and the second word is pot. Now number 3. Leave one line and write number 3. Your notebook should look very beautiful. आपकी जो notebook है वो बहुत सुंदर दिखनी चाहिए. Okay. Now what is the next word? Oh, it is something that we play with. ये ऐसी चीज़ है जिससे हम खेलते हैं. Now let me show you. Again, we have to draw an oval like this. What is this? I'm showing you. Now see, what did I do? I have drawn an oval like this, and in the middle I have put a dot. Okay, now what did I do? Now what will I do? I will write V here. How do we write V? We write V like this. And I'll draw a standing line, a small standing line. Okay. And what will I do next? I will just draw curves here. 1, 2, 3. Do you know what is this? This is a top. जो हिंदी में ल लट्टू का होता है वही तो है ये. This is a top. किसे किसे टॉप से खेलना पसंद है? मुझे तो बहुत अच्छा लगता था जब मैं छोटी थी. So now the spelling of top is T O P top. T O P top. T O P top. T O P top. And this also you need to write 5 times. T O P top. T O P top. Okay, now we need to color it. So where are my colors? Okay, so we have till now we have written 3 words. The first word was dot. Okay, a dot can be of any color, so no need to color the dot. Okay, itself is a colored one. Okay, now I am going to color my pot with shall I use color brown? A pot can be colorful. Okay, it could be colorful. I am using color brown here to color my pot. So my pot is colored now, and I want to make some designs over here. I'm using light colors so that my notebook should look good. It is done. Now here. Now I'm going to decorate my pot. Going to decorate my pot just with dots. मैं अपने pot को dot से decorate करूँगी. Dot, 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 dot. And curves. 1 curve, 2 curve, 3 curve, 4 curve. Again dot, 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 dot. और ये मेरा pot decorate हो गया. Curve, curve, curve. So this is a pot. Now the next is my top. My top is colorful. I'll make my top colorful. First I'm using this color on the top. After that, let me use color yellow, yellow, yellow. Where is yellow? Then after that, let me use color red. Oh, red is looking nice. Then after that, let me use color green. After that, let me use color red again. So, this is my top. So, the 3 words are dot, pot and top. Now turn the page. Turn the page. Okay, now which number? Number. We will turn the page, okay? Number 4. Number 4. Okay, number 4. This is O sound words and we are writing number 4 here. And at number 4, I am going to draw a box. Box का मतलब होता है डब्बा. और बॉक्स बनाने के लिए क्या करना है पता है? सिर्फ एक ट्रायंगल बना लो ऐसे. No, not triangle, rectangle. One rectangle. Okay. And after that, we need to have 3 slanting lines. Here, here and here. Slanting line,
slanting line, slanting line. And after that, cover it with a sleeping line and standing line. Now this is a box and my box is of red color. My box is of red color. This can be any box. ये box शू बॉक्स भी हो सकता है, ये बॉक्स चॉकलेट बॉक्स भी हो सकता है. ओके, सो दिस इज अ बॉक्स. What is this? This is a box. And the spelling of box is B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. B-O-X. Box. And repeat it 5 times. You have to, KG2, I say you again and again कि जब तक आप रीडिंग बार बार नहीं करेंगे you will not be able to learn it. आपको बार बार रीडिंग करनी है. Now number 5. What is at number 5? What is at number 5? It is a log. Log का मतलब होता है लकड़ी का टुकड़ा. Okay, and for that what you need to do, you need to draw 2 lines like this. One on the top and one second line here. Okay, इसके बाद यहाँ पर एक ओवल से इसको ज्वाइन करेंगे. ओवल के अंदर एक छोटा सा डॉट. फिर here you have to make a curve to join it, and here 2 slanting lines like this, and after that just make some lines. So what is this? This is a log. L-O-G log. L-O-G log. L-O-G log. L-O-G log, and write it 5 times. And what is the color of log? It is brown. It is brown. So I am coloring my log brown. एक मोटी लकड़ी का टुकड़े को log कहते हैं. Okay, so what is this? This is a log. This is a log. It can have a part here also. This is a log, and the spelling of log is L-O-G, log. Now number 6. What is at number 6? Leave one line and write number 6. Okay. Now number 6 has a cot. Cot का मतलब जानते हो? Cot का मतलब होता है खाट. And for that, what you need to do? You need to draw 2 sleeping lines like this, 2 slanting line like this. Okay, and खटिया खाट जो होती है ना उसके 4 legs होते हैं. 1, 2, 3, और यहाँ पर एक छोटा सा लेग दिखाएंगे तो ये 4 leg हो जाएगा. Now what you need to do? You need to just make a net kind of lines or simple slanting lines. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm just counting it. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, and after that, just from here. This is a cot. What is this? This is a cot, and a cot can be of any color. You can color it of your choice. Although I am coloring it yellow. What color I am coloring it? I am coloring it yellow. आप अपने मर्जी से कोई भी कलर से इसे कलर कर सकते हो. So my coat is yellow in color. Cot. The spelling of cot is, it starts with cat k. K a t cot. And leave 5 lines. K a t cot. K a t cot. Now 4, 5, 6 is done, and rest we will do in the next class, KG2. Okay, so have a nice day. Bye bye.